Another BS jobs number, but buckle up for safety because something's going to happen soon. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, the 8th of July. And well, we had 378,000 new jobs created, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure it'll be revised next week. It's more bullshit from our lovely government. And again, it's not just this administration. They've been doing this for years. It's a false narrative because they don't even use the right numbers to count from. But it looks like there's a huge move brewing. I don't know if it'll be today, but it looks like it's coming. And if I were to guess, I'm going to say it's going to be a collapse. Okay. Now, again, I'm not predicting. I'm just telling you what it looks like. And from 30,000 feet kind of a view, it will have nothing to do with the way I'm going to trade, but it does have to do with what my overall opinion is. In the meantime, as we look right now, the Dow's down 100, the Nasdaq's down 80, S&P 7 down 17, and the Russell down 100. They could be anywhere. When you get this, they may be higher. Who knows? They've been all over the place today already. And, where they go, it's very thin. This is the issue, which tells me that there's something big happening because of the thin trading conditions. Silver's higher. Gold is high. Actually, gold just got higher. It was higher. It was lower. Now it's higher again. Gold looks like it's headed for 1,700 now. Silver looks like it's headed for $18. Okay. Now, I think they're coming close to what we would call a cycle low, but there's still room to go on the downside. We are still short both. Bonds and notes are under pressure. We are short those as well, which, as you know, I hated it, but I'm still short them. The dollar is, the dollar is higher again, over 107. I mean, it's artificial because the fiat currency system is the most fraudulent system that there is, but we are still long dollars. Euro currency is slightly higher, but that's headed to par. Bitcoin lower once again, and we're still short. Crude oil is higher, but coming off sharply from its earlier highs. It got up to about 105. It's about 103 right now. We're still short. Net gas is lower. We're short. Copper is lower, and we were short, and copper looks like under pretty good pressure today. In the grain markets, they're up across the board, but they were up yesterday as well. I don't know. I think the grains are going much higher, but we are short now. Again, full disclosure, and they don't look good. It looks, this is going to come down to whether or not we're going to have a deflationary scenario here. That's what's really weighing on these markets. But they're all higher at the moment. Beans being the weakest of the rally. The protein complex, feeders are slightly higher, fats are slightly higher, we're long both, and the hogs are lower and we're short. But again, I do believe that the protein complex is pretty much fairly priced, and any real surprise will be down, and I don't think there's a lot of room to go on the upside. In the softs, cotton is again a little bit higher, which is, we said the other day, that it looked like a blow-off bottom, that we'd look for a little bit of a rally, but it's a sellable rally at some point. Sugar is higher, we're short. Cocoa is lower, we're short. OJ's flat, we're short. And coffee is lower, and we are short. So at the end of the day, it could be anything from here. It's still, the real problem is the lack of volume, the lack of participation, which again indicates that there's a much bigger move underneath the surface. Now, it's not going to announce itself and tell you when it's coming, but it will just show up. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. But in the meantime, have a great day. Just be careful. It's a great day to watch and be careful. We did real well trading the job this morning. Remember our sponsors on the bottom, Capital Trading Group, and on the sides, Trader Brokerage, and, of course, our high school program. And until Sunday, have a great day, everybody. Be careful. No reason to get too aggressive in this market because it's pretty tough to trade. We'll talk to you later, everybody.